up to 8x zoom, detects humans, it's weatherproof, you know, the pan and tilt thing. It has the infrared night vision up to 30 meters, two-way talk, and supports micro SD cards. They also have their own cloud-based systems. Alright, so we get some drill templates, stickers you put on, drill, and where the speaker is, out if you guys are interested. So during the pan and tilt demonstration in the background, I'm going to talk about the functionalities of the app, starting with snapshot. And then we have the record button on the bottom, which it can record. And you hit it again to stop. Then you go to the PTZ button, which is the pan and tilt. So you could see I went right. Now I'm going left. And then, you know, down and up. And you're good to go. So whichever direction you want to move, you just use that and you're good to go. Next is the talk button. When I hit the talk button, you have to hold the talk button in the center, and then you can talk while you're holding it.
Testing the system.
Then we have the picture in picture, which basically disables or enables the picture in picture. That always gives you a zoomed out view. Next, we're going to show you guys the alarm. Moving to the definition, we have full HD versus high def. So full HD is typically 1080p, high def is usually 720p. Then we click on the rearrange button, and you can actually move these around. So if you wanted picture in picture to be up more at the front, let's say the third button, well, now it's here. And finally, on the screen itself, where you see the recording, that's when you click on the 1.0x and then change your zoom levels from 1, 2, 4, and 8. From what I noticed, 1 and 4 are the clearest. 8x looks like a digital zoom, and 2x also kind of looks like a digital zoom. Another thing to mention with this camera is it does appear to record two videos when you're recording. The video to the left is always a zoomed out view, giving you as much coverage as possible. The video to the right is the zoomed in version. So if you're zooming in, which I just did to 2x, and again to 4x, that's where it's going to save it to. So you get two independent files, and I'd say at 4x zoom it's actually pretty good quality, especially considering how far away it is from the soccer ball. At 8x it looks more of like a digital zoom to me, but again, considering this is a budget camera, I'd say it does a pretty good job. This is the same exact thing at night. I would say it does a pretty good job, especially with the zoomed in view of, you could pretty much clearly tell that is a soccer ball, and it's fairly dark right now. So this is another example of the quality where I basically turned on the lights at night, and this is what I look like. I mean, I wanted to show you guys basically a person to show you guys if you could identify someone, and really it comes down to, if you know the person, it's easy to see who they are. But if you don't know the person, or if they're wearing a hoodie or anything like that, I mean, don't expect bank level security from these budget security cameras. These are basically just a good way of seeing if something is there, if a person's there. If you recognize the person, yeah, you could tell who it is. But again, this is the quality, and this is what it would look like. That's the soccer ball behind me, and that's basically what it does. So this is the interesting thing, because I feel like it's kind of bleeding me out here. At this zoom level, it's very hard to make out my face until I zoom into the 4x, and then you can easily make it out. But generally speaking, I would say, considering the price, considering the zoom levels you get with this thing, and it rotates and pans and tilts and everything, I'd say this is a pretty good camera considering the price. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but I would say it's pretty good. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys